Good morning. This is Fred from Technical Support Team at Digiray. Today I'm going to explain to you how to replace about FireCR Plus, the memory card, for the laser assembly. We call it laser optic assembly or laser assembly, and the line motor. So okay, first I just already a little bit disassemble. When you lift up this the plus scanner, you can see like 3 screws in here. Actually this one is already connected, but I just disassemble. 1, 2, 3. And then you can see there's like 1, 2, 3, 4 screws in here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So yeah, let's try to disassemble here. And then just push it here. Move it back to the scanner. About this only white cover. And you can see this is coming out. But before that, you need to disassemble this LED cable first. See, if you forgot that one, then you could lose your laser. I mean the LED. I'm sorry. Okay, so later then, you can see there's like interchases covering here. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I'm gonna also disassemble here. One, 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Let me just take it up. And then you can see there's like cables through here. This is the like RFID cables and the all-line motors left and right. This is for the LED cable, so you need to disassemble from here first. Well then, you can push it the back side up here, lift it up, and do it softly. Move out these cables. This opposite side also. Later then, you can see the long motors, the cable need to go outside. Just one by one, the hole is a little bit small. So, okay. Yeah, so now this is the plus scanners inside of the how it looks like. So we're going to try to assemble disassemble about the laser optic assembly. We call the optic plate or laser assembly. So now, please prepare the 2.5 screw, 2.5 the driver, and we're going to disassemble this one part, 2, and 3. So we have totally 6 screws in here. So yeah, let's try to disassemble. It's quite a little bit long screws, so you need to move the screws enoughly. When you try to disassemble this part, please try to not touch about those parts in here. Laser, scale meter, and the lens, the access lens. So please, yeah, try to not touch of those parts. So you can see there's like a red springs inside here. Yeah, so please don't forget about that one. 2 and 3. Okay, after that, you can see the laser is connected with the PLC. So first, I will disassemble this part. And then you touch it like this way, softly lift it up. You can see the laser is connected with the main board, like a 2 cables in here. So yes, try to disassemble those parts also. Yeah. So this is the how to disassemble about the laser optic plate.